Breastfeeding is a deeply personal and rewarding journey, but it doesn't always come easily. Many moms face challenges like latching issues, low milk supply, and pain. But you're not alone, and there are ways to overcome these obstacles. In today's video, we'll explore practical solutions and expert tips to make breastfeeding a smoother experience for you and your baby. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more parenting insights and support. Latching can be one of the first hurdles new moms face. A poor latch can lead to discomfort, inadequate milk transfer, and frustration for both mom and baby. The key is positioning. Try the cradle hold, football hold, or sideline position to see what works best for you. Consulting a lactation consultant early can also make a world of difference. Have you found a breastfeeding position that worked wonders for you? Share it in the comments. It might help another mom out there. Low milk supply is another common concern, but it's important to know that most moms produce enough milk for their babies. Increasing skin-to-skin contact, nursing on demand, and staying hydrated are great ways to boost supply. If you're still struggling, certain foods like oats or lactation teas may help, and there's always the option to consult your doctor for additional support. What's your go-to trick for increasing milk supply? Drop your advice in the comments below, and don't forget to like this video if you found this tip helpful. Pain while breastfeeding is never normal, but it's a challenge many moms face. Cracked or sore nipples might indicate an improper latch, while engorgement can cause significant discomfort. Solutions include using lanolin cream, cold compresses, or hand expressing to relieve pressure. Remember, breastfeeding should be a bonding experience, not a painful one. Don't hesitate to seek help if needed. What's been your best remedy for breastfeeding pain? Let us know in the comments and subscribe for more helpful tips like these. Breastfeeding is a journey, and having support can make all the difference. Whether it's your partner, a lactation consultant, or a local breastfeeding group, don't be afraid to ask for help. Remember, every mom's experience is unique, and even small progress is worth celebrating. If you've had a great support experience, share it in the comments. It could inspire another mom to seek the support they need. Breastfeeding challenges are tough, but with the right tools, support, and mindset, they can be overcome. Trust yourself, be patient with the process, and remember that you're doing an amazing job. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with another mom who might need encouragement. And don't forget to subscribe for more tips and support on your parenting journey. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.